Are you live?
I'm now.
Oh, cool.
Hello, world. It's Steve Silbart, John L. Scott Real Estate. My good friend, Adam Noon,
Hello,
Summit
everybody.
Funding. So we're here to show you the brand new listing. Just went on this morning. It's 14 West 26th Avenue. Little orientation. Manitou Park is back that way, right behind the house. Actually, I'll be able to show you from the house some views of Manitou. The trees are back there. Comstock Park is back over this way. So let's just flip this thing around, walk you through the house, give you a quick tour, and then from there we can answer any questions. We can take new tours if you'd like. But this is the entryway. As you can see, it's a beautiful craftsman home. You come into this very nice living room, highlighted by the wood-burning fireplace. You can see everything's been updated in here. I've put all of the blinds up, but they're really nice hand-operated. So you just pull those down or you just push them back up and they auto-retract for you, which is nice. You have windows throughout. Newer double-pane vinyl windows. And look back into the dining area over here. Then we'll sneak back past Adam over here. You can
Lots
see.
of room.
Lots of room. We've got a Nest thermostat, so we've got some smart touches in the home already for you. And then back here on the main floor, we've got two bedrooms. So you've got this first bedroom on the front of the house. You can see they've got some newer lighting in here too. A nice feel. You've got windows on two different walls in both bedrooms on the main floor. So this is the one to the side. And then we've got the one on the front of the house. Oh man. There we go. Hopefully we're back on here. And then we also have walk-in closets in both of these main floor bedrooms. So you've got some space in here, which is nice. Nice high rod, and then a shelf, and then some area down below. And we'll just go down the hall here. And we've got the other main floor bedroom. Again, this one you've got windows on two different walls. This one you've got the two windows on this wall, and then you've got a small window back here in the walk-in closet. Then the walk-in, you've got some more shelves down here. Your rod across the top, and then more shelving here. All right. So in between the two bedrooms, you've got your main floor bathroom. It's a full bath, and this has been updated as well. So you've got a nice pedestal sink in here. The commode is already child-proof, so if you have little kids, you don't have to worry about that. It's already taken care of for you. And then the nice large shower. It's got white subway tile in here. It's got some smaller lights on top too, so you've definitely got some nice lighting in your shower. Then we'll come back through the living room to the large dining room. So you've got windows along the side that open. You've got three big picture windows in the back looking out into your backyard. You've got this pretty cool chandelier as well. So as I mentioned that you have views of Manitou, right through here between those two garages, you're actually looking right at Manitou Park back there. So it's right behind the house. And you've got some nice lighting in the dining room as well. And then dining room opens up into the kitchen. So this pantry right in front of us right here, those two sets of tall doors, there are pull-out shelves in there as well. Got a very large GE refrigerator with bottom freezer. Then you've got a nice sleek kitchen, some white shaker cabinets throughout. Then all the cabinets have soft close doors and drawers, which is nice. You do have a dishwasher too. And then the view from the kitchen sink. So as you're in here doing your dishes, you can watch the kids or your friends in the backyard. Again, beautiful views in this house. Coming off the kitchen, we've got this step down into the mud room. So this is your mud room. You got a big chalkboard up there, and you've got 4 hooks, and I'm using one of those right now for my vest. Let's take a quick walk outside, and we'll show you what it's like back here. Your AC compressor is right out the back door. So the house does have central air as well. So this is your backyard. The play set could stay The seller is willing to leave that with an acceptable offer. The playhouse, though, that is going. The girls love playing in that, so they're going to take that with them. But you can see big fenced backyard. Got some newer flowers planted around the house. You've got this side yard over here as well. And then these two window wells go down into the basement. The closer one goes down into the family room. The other one goes into the basement bedroom, which we'll go take a look at in a few moments. And it is going to be about 70 degrees here in Spokane today. And spring is here. You can actually see stuff starting to come up out of the ground. So you definitely have a lot of plantings already done and still room for improvement if you'd like. So just going across the back, those tall pines that you see a little further back. So these guys right over here, that's all part of Manitou Park. So you could see that you are literally right around the corner from Manitou. I'll kind of hold that up so you can see the park over there too. So the area that's closest to this house is the children's playground, the kickball fields, and the upper part of the park. A short walk away, you also then have the Duncan Garden. You also have the Tsutakawa Japanese Garden. You've got the main part of the park as well. So now we're down to the basement, and this is that lower family room that I had showed you before. So you've got an egress window, a side window as well for additional light.